Hi guys, this is Vasilia from Five Foot Nomad, and I am super excited to be making this video today because I am back in Podgorica. So I spent like the best 3 months in Nigeria, for the holidays. My initial plan, before I dive into that, in our channel, we talk about working online, relocating, and living smarter, guys. So in this video, I'm just gonna be talking about my thoughts on how to live well in Nigeria, guys. I'm super excited to make this video because, like I said, I just spent the best 3 months in Nigeria, and oh my days, guys, I had the most amazing time. My initial plan was to go spend, I think, 40 days in Nigeria. But then after that, I'm like, okay, I'm having a great time. Let me extend my stay. And then I extended my stay for like a week. And then when it was time to fly, my flight got cancelled. And I'm like, okay, it's a sign from above that I need to stay some more. So I ended up spending 3 months in Nigeria, guys. So during this time, I saw my family, I saw my friends. I made it a point to like eat only Nigerian foods during my trip. Because I'm like, okay, I need to saturate myself, with like the food because I like sort of like to make up for lost time, right? So I had an amazing time, and yeah, during my trip, I feel like I gained a lot of perspective. Okay, it's one thing to have an idea of how things could be in Nigeria, when you're abroad and you think, oh, things are the same or things are worse because of the media and stuff like that. But when you're actually there, living the life, dude, life is that you can live like a freaking king in Nigeria, So I feel like I've gained a lot of perspective, and that's why I'm making this video right now. So before I dive into like the steps, sort of my own thoughts or opinions, on how you can live well in Nigeria. I just want to talk about like my highs and my low in Nigeria, like highlights from my trip and stuff. So my highs was definitely seeing my family, my friends, like partying, going to KJ grills like every weekend, partying, going to the pool. It's cold right now in Podgorica, so to be in summer there, that was amazing. Spending time with my friends, talking to people, going out, going to the park, seeing my nephews, spending time with them, going to the zoo, going to the water park. Those are like my highlights of the trip. I also went to Kaduna with the train. It was my first time taking a train in Nigeria, guys. So it was so amazing, and I was surprised. I'm like, wow, it was smooth as fuck. Everything went well, and it was so cool. And yeah, those were the highs of my trip. And then the lows of my trip, oh my god, waking up to no lights, dude, this is the most demotivating thing ever. Like when you wake up and there's no light, like it can set the tone for the rest of your day, and it's so fucking depressing. And then when there's no light, the fridge starts melting. And then if you even have money to buy fuel, you start the gen, and it's like you're hearing this gen noise all day. Oh my god, I don't know how you guys do it, but I can never. Like, I'm so done with that. Like, I cannot, So yeah, that was like the absolute low of my trip. And also the low was like when my friend's dog like ate Rafi's like 80k pants, and he was like, oh my god, why? I don't want to talk about it too much because it's sort of a sensitive topic. I don't want Rafi to be like, but yeah, that was another low, a major low from the trip. But yeah, everything was great. I then realized during the trip that like living in Nigeria is possible. Okay, living in Nigeria, like 200 million people do it every day. I did a poll on my page, asking people, oh, should I move back to Nigeria? Should I move back to Nigeria? And everyone was like, no, don't move back. I mean, I sort of understand why they would say that, but while I was there, it was a normal life, But again, my friends tell me that, like, look, coming on vacation for 3 months is one thing, but living there permanently is another thing, okay? So I guess I have to recalibrate my mind. Yeah, but it's so good to be back home. I'm happy. It's cold as hell. It's been fucking with my mood. I was sick the first few weeks. I got back to Podgorica, sore throat, whatever. I wasn't feeling great. Now I feel a bit better, but like the weather is so cold outside. It's like 5 degrees outside right now. So it's like I'm just trying to take it easy, stay indoors most of the time, whatever. So into the video, guys. So how to live well in Nigeria. First of all, I'll start by saying to live well in Nigeria, you need a strategy, okay? You can't just be existing. Like, you need a clear strategy of how you want to live in Nigeria. Like, the kind of lifestyle you want to have, the kind of people you want to have around you, and having a strategy. A big part of that is having money, guys. I realized that, dude, if you don't have money in Nigeria, hey, Nigeria will show you shege. Like, shege. Nigeria will show you shege if you don't have money. Hey God. Like, so the basic foundation for living well in Nigeria, I would say, is number one, having money. And preferably if you earn in dollars, that is the best. I know some people have a problem with me like promoting working online and all that, but dude, if it didn't work for me, I will not be promoting it. I'm promoting working on Fiverr, not just Fiverr even. If you have solid experience, you can work remotely. There are tons of platforms you can apply for jobs. We work remotely, Appen, outsourcely.com, all these platforms you can earn online. I promote Fiverr because it's what I've used. It's working for me. Yes, I'm not earning as much as I was, but people are still earning money every day, man. I have friends who have joined Fiverr and they're still making money. They're becoming level 1 seller, level 2. It works for people. Yes, it will not work for everyone, but it works for people. But basically what I'm saying is that if you earn in dollars, guys, it's the best in Nigeria because then you get more naira for your money and your income is secure. There's no inflation coming to chop your income because the problem in Nigeria is you're earning in naira and then prices of everything goes up in the market. Prices of tomato, fuel, there's even fuel scarcity now. Let's not even talk about that. But yeah, like prices of everything goes up, but your salary remains the same. So you see, like earning in dollars is almost like a necessity. If you earn in dollars, you know that you get this much every month, and whether the naira goes up and down is not your concern because, your dollars is the same. So guys, the basic foundation for living well in Nigeria is to earn a lot of money and preferably earn in dollars. And the second point, in my opinion, that I would say is another way to live well in Nigeria is when you now have enough money, okay, you can now afford to live in a serviced apartment. Oh my God. Like I was seriously considering moving back to Nigeria. And that's why I was checking out real estate to see what's out there, checking apartments for buying, checking apartments for renting. It really opened my mind. There's a lot of options in Nigeria, but something that I realized was like, dude, I cannot live in a place that's not serviced. I'm sorry. Like, maybe I'm spoiled. Maybe I am too butty or whatever. I don't know. But dude, having light, it shouldn't be negotiable. It's like a basic necessity of life. Like, I cannot live in a place that's not serviced. I'm sorry. So I'm realizing that, look, if you want to have a good life in Nigeria, if you want to be abroad, while in Nigeria, you need to live in a serviced apartment. And this is why making money, a lot of it is like the basic foundation for this. I know making money is not easy, but trust me, if you put your mind to it, dude, you can make enough. And that's the thing. You don't even need so much. I mean, yes, you need money to survive in Nigeria, but like if you earn in dollars, like I said, you don't need that much dollars to live an amazing life in Nigeria. Like, dude, you can live well. But living in a serviced apartment is the best because you have steady electricity, there's security, everything works, because the worst thing you can do to yourself is wake up in the morning and there's no light. And then you have to start thinking and planning, oh, my food in the fridge, oh, I need to buy fuel, Man, that is so fucking demotivating. So guys, maybe this will not apply for everyone. Of course, some people will watch this video right now and be like, yeah, you're just saying that like it's easy no money. But yeah, like I said, you need to make money. And then live in a service apartment, man. That is the best. You don't have to worry about light. You don't have to worry about all these nonsense problems. Yes, I know that living in a service apartment does not solve certain problems in Nigeria, like crazy, stupid healthcare that's not okay and all of that. But dude, that's already a start. This brings me to the third point, in my opinion, of how you can live well in Nigeria, okay? And that is investing in creating a lifestyle for yourself that does not involve spending money, okay? Like, a lot of people like to say, come to Lagos, it's a lot of fun, but it's also a lot of money people are spending. I've seen the prices of restaurants in Lagos, and I'm like, okay, I probably cannot afford Lagos. Dude, It is expensive as hell. And because you can't have like other types of free fun like I would do in Podgorica, because in Podgorica I can have free fun. I can just hop in the car now. I mean, free, free is relative, right? But I can just hop in the car now. There's 20 minutes from my house is Niagara Falls. It's like Niagara Waterfalls in Podgorica, and I can just go there. 5-minute walk from my house is a fucking river. I can just go there, cross the bridge, and I'm in a fucking river, free fun. If I go on a road trip, to see something or whatever, all I have to pay is gas or something and I'm having fun. But in Nigeria, to have fun, you have to go to the party and you have to go to this place and you have to go to that restaurant because the country is not fucking safe. You can't even travel, right? You can't do road trips and have free fun, right? So like it makes a lot of sense to now start racking your brain and investing in figuring out ways you can have free fun, because all this going out here, going outside is expensive. I realize, like, even me in Nigeria, like, I couldn't go out every day because, dude, outside is expensive, especially when you can't go and enjoy nature or you can't go and enjoy something that's free, right? So like, dude, come up with ways that you can have free fun. Have a party at home. Anyone who's coming, bring something, okay? Have a game night or go see a movie. It's not free, but it's cheaper than going to some restaurant and paying for overpriced food that you can totally make at home. Duh, like, dude. So come up with ways to invest in free fun. And if you know ways that you can have free fun, please comment below because I'm interested too. If I'm moving back to Nigeria in the next few months or in the next year or something, I want to be having free fun. I don't want to like be spending all my money in all the stupid overhyped IG restaurants. Hell no. So like that's like, in my opinion, that's like one of the ways that you can live well in Nigeria. If you can figure out ways to have free fun, then you can live well. You can save up that money, you can have a great life while in Nigeria. You know what I mean? While having a certain lifestyle that works for you. So, I heard hiking is a great way to have free fun. I mean, you have to pay some money to the trail guides or something, but it's also free fun, no? So guys, I don't want to make this video too long. I think it's already more than 10 minutes already, but like basically I'm still coming up with the strategies. I'm still getting perspective. Like I said, I've only been back in Podgorica for 2 weeks. So I'm still processing my trip in Nigeria. I'm still coming up with new ideas and new perspectives. So, but basically, just to recap, guys, if you want to live well in Nigeria, the basic thing is have a strategy for your life, man. You can't just be floating, make money, spend money, and then survive every day. No, you have to develop a strategy. And the basic foundation of having the strategy is making money. It should be your focus, not all this fucking IG life that no one cares about. IG life is fake life. I mean, I can show anyone anything on IG and no one cares, because like it's whatever. But like real life is real life, guys. You have to eat. You have to be comfortable. You have to go to the hospital when you're sick. Think about ways that you can make more money, a lot of money preferably, and in dollars, guys. So having a strategy, making money for yourself. When you make money, try your best to please live in a service apartment, because that's the way you would not have to deal with nonsense, like not having light. That is the worst, most demotivating thing on earth, guys. It's the worst. And then when you're making money, you're living in a nice place, where you have electricity, you're motivated, then you come up with a way to have free fun, invest in creating a lifestyle for yourself where you can have a great time without breaking the bank and spending all your money, guys. Seriously. So I'm super excited to be back in Podgorica. I miss my family and my friends, but I don't miss Nigeria. I miss the vibe in Nigeria. Okay, I miss the food. I did not bring any foodstuffs back with me because I'm like, okay, I've saturated myself. I need to miss it now again, and then I'll do it again later. So but yeah, this brings me to the end of this video, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I still help people work online with Fiverr. I offer coaching to work online with Fiverr. I offer my Fiverr guide. You can find all of those in the description below, okay? So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. And I hope I didn't screw up the lighting or the setting or the focus of the video or anything. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and to everyone who subscribes to my channel, thank you so much, guys. I'm super appreciative of that. And yeah, until next time, bye.